Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Childish Gambino. Some songs recently released, and this one is with Jorja Smith and Amaarae. It's called In the Night. Very easy, this guy. So put the capo on the 3rd fret. We have 3 chords, E minor, D, and C. And let's take a look at the song together. Starting now with E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we learned the strumming pattern first now, and then look at the chord progressions. So grab the first E minor. 1 string around is the common down, up, clap, down. Okay, so 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds goes. So we have 2 different corporations here, and I illustrated that in the beginning of this tutorial. The first one is, I can just mention, we have to think about 4 rows or bars, pretty much. That's how we're gonna think here. So the first 3 times you're gonna play E minor 2 string rounds and D 2 string rounds. And on the 4th time you play C2 and D2. And that ends the 4th bar or 4th row, if you want to think in that term. So E minor 2, D2 for 3 rounds, and then C2 and D2 for 1 round, like this. E minor, D, E minor, and C, that ends it. So E minor 2, D2 for 3 rounds, C2 and D2 1 round. That's one way of playing it, and it does that for some parts of the song, but then sometimes it switches up a little bit, and then you're just gonna alternate to play E2, D2, then C2 and D2. Okay? And you just go on like this. So that is the first 2 rounds, and then you continue with the 3rd and 4th round in the same way there. E minor 2, D2, C2, and D2. So you just play E minor 2, D2, C2, D2. Repeat, E minor, D, C, like that. And there you have it, guys. Very easy to play this one in the night or during the day. It's up to you guys, but thank you anyway. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, feel free to give me a like on this tutorial. Thank you, and play tuned.